MSC-wise Peace Accord and Development Rally held at Chokhihola. ASDC, KFA and UKSA strongly oppose Clause 2.3 demands release of KFA President. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Primetime News with your host Julie Baby. Now the news in details. After the Lumbajong, Singhason and Dhansiri constituencies, the BJP party of number 25 Nilip MSC constituency had organized the Peace and Development Rally at Chokhihola High School playground. The rally was held under the initiative of the Bharatiya Janata Party Nilip Mandal Committee. The program was chaired by Nilip Mandal Committee President Bapuram Teron. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang attended as a chief guest along with MP Horen Singbay, MLA, MSS and local party leaders. Speaking on the occasion, KAAC Chief Tuliram Ronghang said that the recently signed peace accord has nothing negative for Karbis, but it only guarantees more development and opportunities. As seen in several earlier programs, MLA Rup Singh Teron and MP Horen Singbay continued with their attack on the 24+ organizations and APHLC President J.I. Carter. The MP and MLA accused the APHLC leader of misleading the masses about the provisions of the accord.
Bangkai lepas ni non ke laki 26 ta open for orjoka thulok. Laki LCA din hota hala dak Dilip Sur pen la pen Chingthong pen Beskar Anglong pen Nepali amni thuru. Ama LCA da case pidar lo dak paragraph 20 teng pen Anglong asotum si thulong chot ai. Da LCA case pidar da LCA atau party tu merem dia. Ada Dilip Sur pen hala Nepali na thulong pop. Lasi 26 consensus ta hala dak open for all. Tas lo long de la pen nikan kora drop lo Ningkan kora popling lo pelong te, lapen alang da India citizen lo pelong te lake election pelong ekko. Non sit ke pa bangke lake joka pelong. Apra ke sin kora pobet, atau sin kora trok do hala sin kora trok ke lake open for all, non ke kebet open for all. Gotike hi hamki sukti sakol wal pisot. আমি প্রত্যেক সমষ্টিত যে কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ শান্তি স্থায়ী শান্তি বিচাৰিবৰ কাৰণে বা স্থায়ী শান্তি ৰাখিবৰ কাৰণে আমি আৰু লগতে প্ৰগতি যিবিলাক আমি কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিলৰ তৰফৰ পৰা আৰু SOPD অসম চৰকাৰৰ কেন্দ্ৰীয় চৰকাৰৰ পৰা যিবিলাকৰ পুঁজি আহিছে সেই পুঁজিবিলাকৰ কি আঁচনি গ্ৰহণ কৰিছে বিতংভাৱে ৰাইজক আমি অৱগত কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমি আজি এই সভাটো পতা হৈছে দেখিবলৈ পোৱা যায় আগন্তুক নিৰ্বাচন আহি আছে সেই নিৰ্বাচনত কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিলৰ নিৰ্বাচন আহি আছে সেই নিৰ্বাচনত কাৰণে আমি এই কাৰ্যসূচী ৰাখি আৰু লগতে আমি ৰাইজক যেটো অৱগত কৰিছে যে কাৰ্বি আংলং স্থায়ী শান্তি যাবৰ কাৰণে আমি ৰাইজক বুজাইছোঁ যে আজি শান্তি স্বাক্ষৰ কাৰণে কৰিছে যে কাৰ্বি আংলঙত যে বেলেগৰ আঁচনি বেলেগৰ ইনষ্টিটিউশ্যন বেষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলং ইষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলং সেই গোটেইখিনি ৰাইজক কি আনিছে সেই চুক্তিখনত কি আছে সেই গোটেই বিতংভাৱে আমি বহলাই ক'ব কাৰণে আজি সেই সভাটো পাতিছে আৰু এজন দুজন ব্যক্তিয়ে সেই শান্তি চুক্তি স্বাক্ষৰ যিটো কৰিছে তেওঁলোকৰ সমালোচনা কৰিছে সেই সমালোচনাৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ সাংসদ আৰু বিধায়কসকলে এই উত্তৰটি দিয়া হৈছে।
Sanjay Crow from Chokhihola, Karbi Anglong Live. Regional Party Autonomous State Demand Committee, Karbi Farmers Association and United Karbi Students Association in a joint press conference have expressed their strong opposition and objections to Clause 2.3 of the Peace Accord, powers to the DC for final reports on developmental activities implemented in the district, and also demanded immediate and unconditional release of KFA President Avinash Ronghang. The joint press conference of ASDC leader Sarsing Ingling, KFA West Karbi Anglong Unit and UKSA was held at the Kironi LSM IB. During the press conference, ASDC leader Sarsing Ingling had vehemently condemned Clause 2.3 of the Peace Accord to keep 10 KAAC seats for open category and has urged upon the KAAC to immediately revoke the clause from the agreement. West Karbi Anglong KFA President Durgeswar Ingti has urged upon the authority for immediate and unconditional release of Avinash Ronghang. The group has also warned of a strong and democratic mass agitation if their demand for removal of the contentious clauses of the peace accord is not fulfilled at the earliest.
Non Karbi Anglong along burning issues Pudam Nang Labangso West Karbi Anglong block 1 and block 2 la solong le Meghalaya phan ka hodai ji po Assam government tum kabor ibom apora hut uthot non het jong ke dam tang chiti ni phai pli arni Karbi Anglong long ki do song throk hile ke ora song Assam government la pen ke government of India duang bong Islam don ka chetok la pen halabang so alam don along ki do ajhak phire meme a close la pen asap close aputhak ini tum theglong lo Karbi Anglong aradatum halabang so alam don ka chetok arni penamasi aning ki pung ka chepaklang chiti ni phai piar ni penamasi ni tum theglong tadak ratcharia song la pen ke hamphang song tum penang anariso ejang tum ke thekire tum tamil salam don ke lake chokchi lake sik schedule long ke dutang aja kong anta la salam don pesi lage si kapa phuk kapang cheng lu ko alam thesi aning ki pung che peklang pon dulu la pen soni bang akoli tum ki puthuji bang ke la henlo non Karbi Anglong ba Assam le pusitame la bang so BJP tum non government kasari bom apora hut ili tum theglong dak muni tum BJP a government tum hin pen ke claim pon a policy a program ke chokchi du analong ka kham khedun aja kong tara da phan pabi detlu la pen hini ni tum ako ki puthuji bang ke la henlo non BJP sarkar atum Karbi Anglong ba Assam la tum kachari huri tum ke theglong ke la bang ke fascist type la pen bang ke Hitler model of governance la tum la dakewan komane jong si BJP song of an oppose lu komane jong si BJP leader sum ke claim ke dam ke chok chia corruption alam theda ke nebdun dolo pulutang te pini law and order phala tum use si police military phan hodai si la tum jail ke beng jail ke thap BJP leader same thang tum si halaso ka che song asong ja tum phan phun me same ke ter ke hap ta sonta militum ke thek pon long dolo la sila bang ke litum BJP a party la pen ke BJP a party long ke claim asong atum la so oda dur phane tum la bang ke sodak pen tum pinremlo athe democratic country long bang la ka protest right democratic kili ka protest la bang so right sa bang la ke dovek la pen anutin bang kusitame India constitution long tambe la bang ke fundamental rights pini pidet
je kedamtang tarik trogarni jil jitu niltum president Avinash Ronghang Karbi Farmers Association Central Committee president han alangli accord kache tok aputhak alangli pine khamkhe dun lasi laso puthak pot alangli han hemkang sam bank contract lasi labangke niltum kisuman ke Facebook live banglo lapen kisuman bangke press meet padolo lapen demonstration pusitame padolo angkonon jasemet parangke amai fanang kok labangke lahelo je niltum president Avinash Ronghang han unconditional waste pen alanghan release pon serak nang po pusi niltum tuning ripon lo lapen jongsi kewangjiar ni alangli han jongsi release pon pelang niltum kachuning ri ateng pen jongsi alangtum jongsi narjuje ponte niltum lapu West Karbi Anglong pusitame pen pan Karbi Anglong pusitame niltum sodak pen asai bangge dengnang kok po
Mohan Teran's report from Pelangpi, Karbi Anglong Live.
Come one, come all to the third Inter-Church Football Tournament, come awareness program on addiction and human trafficking, organized by Community Health and Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tejpur, a unit of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi, in collaboration with AKBCLFYD for both women and men. Registration starts from September 1 to September 20, 2021 at Potaro Playground, Dongmukak. For more detail, contact 8638 398 440.
The Hemphu Mukrang Adorbar and Rasinja Song had participated in the Jati Faith and Culture Protection Forum meet held at Laxmibai National Institute of Physical Education, Tepesia, Sonapur from 10th to 12th of September. The main objective of the meet was to discuss about the various issues related to tradition faith of the indigenous tribal communities. The conference was held with the theme Voice of Northeast and was attended by representatives of more than 70 tribes. The program was attended as chief guest by Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma. Other eminent personalities attending the program were Chairperson of National Commission for Scheduled Tribe Harsh Chauhan and Akhil Bharatiya Vanavasi Kalyan Ashram President Ramchandra Kharadi. Members of the Hempul Mukrang Adorbar who attended the program included Har Singh Hanse, Mohan Singh Togbi, Horen Pangcho, Robindra Milik and Biren Hanse spoke about the various aspects of Karbi traditional faith and its challenges in this modern world. They also told the gathering about the customary laws of Karbi. Members of the Rasinja Asong, including its president Kasang Bepi and Karon Hansepi, also took part in the conference, where the two shared about the traditional that hymns or the Kachar He Alun or the song sung during that rituals. In the press meet called on Sunday evening by the HMA president Lun Se Timung, and members expressed their delight over the program, stating that it is very important to protect the traditional faiths alive, as it also forms the tribe's identity. They also talk about the need to give more place to customary laws.
Lalu pidun pen ada kecing wai lasun hello nilitum dak Karbi Anglong pun lapucat kali nilitum dak 7 8 state north east atum mitang pipu ang tun tamane porompora pu la so tum kiklem atum pan an dak citong no lasi hala dak kecing wai ke parai lapu hello lapen ke minister badan nitum la sonsi parai se alam se nitum gerai alam se lapu lapu dak tham la lo dia case tame natum st pu ke dog atum nang tum yong si porompora nang pipu pen klem kle jutang tum phan la tum phan ba ke st pen pavida nai wala parai du lage Karbi phancho kali doro sc jutang klem rong minority tum jutang drom klem rong la sol tum phan ba ke hada ke pas ke central so ba pas pe jing la tame atum ba ke st pen pa thanang.
It may be mentioned that Jati Faith and Protection Forum have conducted the conference in the past as well, and Karbi have been participating in those conferences held across the nation. It was for the first time that the event was brought in northeastern part of India. Serious discussions were held to protect the traditional faith of the indigenous people of the region. Bikram Crow from Deepu, Karbi Anglong Live. Under the initiative of the Karbi Anglong District Medical and Health Officer, a block-level review meeting of the ANMs was held on Monday at Bokajan Higher Secondary School. Here is a report from our correspondent. The meeting was chaired by Bokajan SDM and HO Danda Gogoi, while Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Medical EM Khonsing Rongpi attended as the chief guest in the presence of District Medical Health Officer Amarjit Tiso. Speaking in the meeting, the medical EM said that the review meeting has been held after a long gap due to the pandemic. He expressed his gladness and happiness to see all the health workers in good health. He thanked the health workers and lauded for selfless dedication in carrying out their duty in times of medical emergency to aware the mass about the need for preventive measures to remain away from coronavirus. The medical EM and the senior health officers held discussion with the ANMs and GNMs of Bokajan block to acquaint with issues and difficulties they are facing. The grassroots level health workers were assured all possible help from the department. Anantarang from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. The Agriculture Department under the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, in collaboration with the Karbi Farmers Association, on Monday conducted a one-day training on horticulture at Tekelangjun. The training program was conducted with the aim of promoting the profitable agricultural activity among the farmers of the area. The training program began at 10 a.m. at Sardihun Club office, during which the resource persons from the Agriculture Department, comprising of Deputy Director Marketing Rajan Phangcho, Samilangso ADO Sanidhya Gaura Borgohain, ADO Soil Testing Abhijit Chetia, provided their inputs relating to farming, management and harvest methods for profitable for both the farmers and the local economy. KFA President Tinku Ingti, Finance Secretary Longki Tiso, Tegelangjun KFA Unit President, Secretary and several of its members were also present at the one-day training program. During the training, the resource persons also stressed that agriculture and farming of areca nuts and other fruits have become one of the biggest sources of livelihood with huge profits. The resource persons also highlighted several schemes launched by the government for the farmers. KFA farmers Tinku Ingti also shared several success stories of the farmers of the hill districts who have changed their lives and made tremendous profit through scientific farming and agriculture. He also assured of all support towards the farmers and iterated that their organization believe that nation cannot progress if their farmers are left behind. Later, during the training program, the organizers also distributed spades to the trainees.
Me Farmers Association, Karbi Farmers Association logot, amar agriculture department falor pora eta one day horticulture training disu. Yar bitorot ami kenekere mane tamul kheti kene koribo lage ba bibhinno dhoroner horticulture scheme bur jene SMNH ba tene dhoroner বিষয় অলপ সজাগতা সৃষ্টি কৰিলো লগতে NFSM RKVY আৰু বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ মানে মাটি কেনে পৰীক্ষা কৰিব লাগে এই বিষয়ে ৰাইজক আমি অৱগত কৰিলো
Tekelangjun aratum sitameda kui penchenglok bithi no gurmuris puno pinu puno kati kidupi aseda ilitum isis one day training pinang koke dak sitame ilitum department pen sitame kerap mate dak scientific method pen sitame nomlom ke thengpi thengprang sema ke su inki chu penchenglok kaprek averite sake su dudu latum da asela so puthak leitum isis cherak to amai binang kok
Samsung Ingtis report from Dongmokak for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.